Today, in this video, we will explain all the action buttons that we can use in a WhatsApp chatbot. There are a few default action buttons to use in a chatbot. Let's see what they are, and how we can use them effectively. From the dashboard, go to the WhatsApp Bot Manager. Select the WhatsApp account, then go to the action buttons. These are the action buttons. We will go through all of them, one by one. First, let's see what the No Match action button is. This is actually a bot reply that will trigger when no keywords are matched. We may have several bots with keywords, so when no keywords are matched, this bot will start giving replies. Let's click on this. By default, there is just a text reply. You can create your own bot by editing it. Save the bot after editing. Before we can use this no match reply, we must enable the no match reply option. To enable it, go to the configuration. From here, enable the no match reply. Then, scroll down and click on the Save Settings button. That's it. Now, whenever there is no match with the keywords bot, this bot starts sending replies. Let's check. Yes, the bot has started sending replies when no keywords are matched. Let's go back to the action buttons again. Then we have unsubscribe and resubscribe. We can allow a user to unsubscribe and resubscribe from or to the bot by using these buttons. Every action button is editable. You can edit them to modify replies. Let's go to the unsubscribe template. It just has a message and a button to subscribe back again. Let's check the resubscribe template. It has a message saying thanks for returning back. Then, again, the unsubscribe button. Let's edit the text here to fit our business. Also, add a next reply with it. Save it. Now, let's see how to use them in the bot. Go to the bot reply and edit a bot. Remember, action buttons can only be used in a button. Let's add an interactive element. Put a text for it. Then add a button. Now, double-click on the button to configure. Give a name to the button. Then select the button type as unsubscribe. Save the bot. Let's check it live on WhatsApp. In the same way, we can use the Chat with Human and Chat with Robot buttons on the chatbot. When a user clicks on the Chat with Human button, you will get a notification on your email. Let's see what is there on Chat with Human template. It has a text message and a button to resume the chat with bot again. The Chat with Robot has a text message and a button to chat with human. Let's use chat with human in a bot. We have to provide that email address in the configuration. Let's go to configuration. Just put the email address where you want to receive the notification. Let's check. Yes, we have received an email notification for chat with human. Also, the user can get back to the robot replies again by clicking on the chat with the robot button. Then we have the confirm order and cancel order buttons. These two action buttons are used for Shopify and WooCommerce integration. They serve as simple button replies. So, that's how we can make the most of the action buttons for WhatsApp. Similarly, we can utilize the action buttons for Telegram Chatbot in a similar manner. That's all for today. Thank you for watching the video.